In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Microsoft Teams. Surveys are a simple and effective way to collect feedback, run quick polls, or gather opinions from your team without leaving the app. Whether you're checking availability, asking for input on a project, or measuring team satisfaction, Microsoft Teams makes the process smooth and easy. To begin, open Microsoft Teams on your computer and make sure you're signed in to your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the team and channel where you want your survey to appear. Choosing the right channel is important because everyone who needs to respond should have access to it. This keeps your responses organized and easy to review later. After you're in the correct channel, move your focus to the Message Compose area at the screen. This is where you normally type messages to the channel. Just near this box, you'll see a plus icon. Just click it to add apps or extensions. Click on this option to open the list of available tools you can use within Teams. From the list, look for the app used to create surveys, which is commonly called forms or polls, depending on your team's setup. Selecting this option will open a survey creation window directly inside Microsoft Teams. This saves time since you don't need to open a separate browser or application. Click the Forms and type your Share form, then click Save. Now you can start building your survey. First, enter your question clearly so participants know exactly what you're asking. Then choose the type of responses you want to collect, such as multiple choice options or a simple yes or no format. If needed, you can add more options to give respondents flexibility. Take a moment to review your question and answers to make sure everything is easy to understand. Once your survey is ready, click Collect Responses, then preview it to see how it will look to others. This is a helpful step to catch any mistakes or unclear wording before you share it. When you're satisfied, go ahead and send or post the survey to the channel. Team members will see it directly in the conversation and can respond with just a click. After responses start coming in, you can view the results at any time. Microsoft Teams automatically collects and organizes the data for you, making it easy to review feedback and spot trends. This is especially useful for quick decision-making or gathering opinions from a large group. You've now learned how to create a survey in Microsoft Teams and share it with your team. Surveys are a powerful tool for improving communication and collaboration. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.